Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Easy English. This channel helps you learn English easily. You will listen to slow and simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Please listen carefully. Let's begin. Today, I want to talk about a normal day at home. This is a simple story. It is about everyday life. I wake up in the morning. I open my eyes slowly. I look at the clock. It is 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I feel a little sleepy. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with water. The water is cold. It helps me wake up. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. Then, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet. I make breakfast. I make a cup of tea. The tea is warm. I like warm tea in the morning. I eat bread and eggs. I eat slowly. I enjoy my breakfast. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. Now, the dishes are clean. Then, I sit down. I check my phone. I read some messages. I do not hurry. Later, I do some work. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I work for some time. I focus on my work. I take short breaks. At noon, I feel hungry again. It is time for lunch. I make a simple lunch. I eat rice and vegetables. The food is healthy. After lunch, I rest. I sit quietly. I feel calm and relaxed. In the afternoon, I read a book. The book is easy to read. I like reading at home. Sometimes, I listen to music. The music is soft. It makes me feel good. In the evening, the day becomes quiet. The sun goes down. The sky changes color. I make dinner at home. Dinner is simple. I eat slowly and peacefully. After dinner, I watch a little TV. I do not watch too much. I like quiet evenings. At night, I feel tired. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the lights. I lie in bed. I close my eyes. This is my normal day at home. It is simple. It is calm. It is a good day. Now, let's repeat some easy sentences. I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I work at home. I work at home. I eat dinner at home. I eat dinner at home. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. Very good. Keep practicing. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. If you like this lesson, please subscribe. See you in the next lesson.